Welcome back. How to get back on track with weight loss as a business owner or someone with a busy schedule. Now, this video is going to be for you if you recently fell off your diet, your weight loss plan, your workout program, and you're trying to get back on track after some amount of time. Maybe it's been a couple weeks or a month or a few years, even. If you're having a hard time with it, this is what you need to ask yourself to get on the right track. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance. I help business owners lose weight and feel their best without crash diets or guilt. See if you can relate to this. I saw it on Reddit. I used to be athletic, but after a really stressful time, I started stress eating and stopped taking care of myself and just eating junk. I was getting progress running and weightlifting, but after time I stopped. It became a day, then a week, then a year. Now I want to try again and fix my body and clean myself. What are some small steps I can take? Click like that's something you can relate to. It happens often. It could be you. Let's get past it. Okay, so in terms of cleaning yourself, your body does a really good job of cleaning itself in terms of your kidneys and your liver and your immune system. Eating clean doesn't make you cleaner. And really, like almost a silly joke is if you want to clean yourself, you can take a bath or a shower instead. When you use this kind of language, it makes you think that eating higher sugar, higher fat foods that you enjoy is dirtier, and that doesn't help you with a guilt-free lifestyle. So when you want to do this, you want to look a little deeper at the process behind it so you can make more effective choices. You can use that information correctly in a way that supports your health goals. So, a question to ask is what caused you to stop your health habits plan for a day, then a week, then a year? If you don't take time to assess the changes and why you made them or why you didn't follow through with your plans, then you're going to have a more difficult time getting back on track. And if your goal is to get on track so you can reach those goals for yourself, then you have to understand the process behind it. So, what I want you to do is take ownership of that process and think about it, because when you go over a year, that's over 365 days of making choices that don't match your goals. And that is actually quite a bit when you're talking about making a few choices a day, at least in 3 meals per day. That's over 1,000 choices over a long period of time. And it doesn't just happen. You don't want to be passive about that process. You want to think about the decisions you made, and that is something that you picked and you're continuing to pick. And that's not your fault. It is your responsibility, kind of thing. If you don't do anything to change that and you keep those old habits that are keeping you stuck, then you're going to get the same results. So, a big part of health coaching and leading the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams is understanding that you're in control. We want to make sure that you feel like you're in control of the situation so you can take ownership and make effective choices that support your life. So, the three things people usually get stuck with: confidence, realistic focus, or accountability. If you're struggling with one of these, then it's harder for you to follow through on the choices that you want to make. And then you'll end up posting something like that online, trying to figure it out. So let's look at these a little bit more in depth. Confidence, not being sure if you deserve the changes you want or if you can make them, not trusting yourself. So take some time to think about these and reflect on whether that is affecting you. All right. If you don't think that you're worth it, or you don't think you have the skill set yet, you don't trust that you can actually do the things like go to the gym or meal prep or anything like that, then you're not even going to try. A lot of times you'll self sabotage and you won't be able to keep up with it. Realistic focus, not being clear on what you want, not identifying the steps to make what you want real, not trusting your plan, and questioning the benefits. Also wondering if you're like cleaning yourself is something that's not identifying the steps to make your goals real. If you think you're eating dirty instead of thinking about the nutrients in your foods, then you're going to have more challenging times. So you have to know what to focus on in order to take the steps confidently and make the changes you want. And then accountability, not creating an environment to make timely adjustments. So if you don't have a process for following up with yourself or understanding when you were trying to make changes, then you don't have that. And you can go for a very long time without making any adjustments, like a year and that or longer, where that will make it harder to reach your goals because you haven't started, you're not holding yourself accountable. So the solution to these things: confidence, realistic focus, and accountability, is deciding what you want, creating a realistic plan to build it, and then creating a system to follow through with that plan. The Live Aligned method, linked below, is the most compassionate way to lose weight and feel your best by showing you the most effective things to focus on. So, A huge advantage of working with a health coach or watching my videos, subscribing to my channel is helping you think about this process differently so you can actually follow through and reach your goals. A central part of my health coaching is the vision. What does the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams look like? And when you think about this, you have more context for that confidence and then understanding what the big picture of who you want to be really is. A lot of times people will get stuck when they approach their health changes in isolation, but really you're making these choices with food every day as part of your daily life. And so when you understand how what you eat gives you more energy to do the things that you love, spending time with family, better work, more effective work, quality of life, not dying prematurely from chronic disease, those kinds of things. When you're more clear on that big picture vision, it's easier for you to build confidence in yourself and make the choices that match that. Then focus. What specific thing do you want to improve about your health and fitness? A lot of times people are vague about this and they think, I just want to lose weight, or I'll just eat healthier or eat cleaner, but that doesn't really describe what specific thing. And sometimes it helps to just pick one specific item. I want to eat more fiber. I want to eat less sugar. And then you can get more specific about what that is so you can make that choice clearly and you'll recognize when you're doing it. And in practice, understanding what it is that you need to do and understanding that it's a skill that you have to develop with time. It's not going to be something that you pick up immediately the first time and you have it perfect. Kind of like playing sports where you have to understand, especially this athletic person here, like you need to develop the skills. And sometimes you don't make those first shots, but you work on the smaller parts of your technique until you understand what you're trying to do. And then it fits in and almost gets easy when you get good at it. But it does take practice to get going. Most people get stuck when they don't practice enough. They get discouraged. Then they wonder if they can even do it. And then they quit. And then it goes for a long period of time where they aren't even trying to make the changes that they want for themselves. Don't let that be you. So those are the three things you need: vision, focus, and practice. I've got a resource below if you want to check your health habit score, get some customized tips and first steps to get back on track. The Live Aligned scorecard is linked below, and it comes with a Live Aligned starter guide where we go through the vision, focus, and practice, 3 steps for you to take to get started understanding what the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams looks like, and then pick the first step to making that better. That's linked below. So let me know what you think about this video. Next, you can watch how to set weight loss goals that you'll actually keep. I'll put that right here. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.